On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a special little side, or it's just a regular side, but I'll be putting a special little twist to it. But before we get into the video, let me just say special welcome and thanks to all the new people coming onto the page. Those of you who started this cooking journey with me and you're still here, manners and utmost respect. Special shout out to my patrons. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description and join us over on Patreon. Our post notification shout outs today goes right up there. Now on to this dish with a special little twist right on over here. I am going to be making today some coconut or some curry coconut flavored mashed potatoes. Just simply mashed potato, but I'm going to put in a coconut curry twist to it. So I've got me here some potatoes. I'm going to be peeling them. I have got me here my salt. I've got me here 1 stick of unsalted butter, and I've got me here curry, and this is the shade of the curry. It is, let me tell you, this curry is the most flavorful curry I've met upon in all my years. It's not the prettiest of colors, so you'll have to mix it with another, but the flavor, I've never met upon another curry with this flavor. So you do you, get your curry of choice. Right on over here, I did say coconut curry flavored mashed potato. I have in here some freshly squeezed coconut milk. I have another set right on over here, and as I go along I'll show you how I'll be treating them. So right about now I just want to put about this of salt in my, remember I am substituting some coconut milk to sort of cook my potatoes. So I'm gonna go now cook my peel my potatoes, and I will put them in the cold coconut milk. Not cold, just regularly coconut milk. I won't eat it up. In here I'll be making my curry paste, but I will not go in depth to show you the curry paste, because there is a full tutorial here on this cooking channel that I have showed you some years ago how to make a curry paste in advance. So I will leave the link for you in the description. You can go and check that curry paste out. So I'll go now peel my potatoes and I'll return, because I guess everybody know how to peel potatoes. Next clip. So now this is how we're going to be doing it. I have this amount of coconut milk in here. You saw me put some water in there in the prior clip. I've cut my potatoes like this. I did not cut them on the straight, I cut them on the cross. I want them to cook and not get waterlogged. So I'm gonna put these in this amount of milk, like may I do it like a pressure cooking thing. So you see, they will not be cooked too fast and then just absorb too much of the coconut milk. I'm just gonna let them cook. And then when you cut them like this, it will give the potato enough time to be cooked to the core whilst absorbing all that coconut milk. I'm gonna turn my flame on now. I'm gonna leave it, and I'm not gonna bring it up too much of a rapid boil, because the coconut milk, as it heats up and starts boiling, it will come right over. When it comes over, all my flavor is gone. This here that I have, I will be scalding. Maybe I'll be scalding it. I'll be using some to, when I am mashing my potatoes, to if I need a little more. So I have to put it through a scalding process before I can just add the raw coconut milk. Okay, I'm gonna be doing my curry paste in this, and as I said, definitely there's a video there. You might wanna go and check it out if you want to do that. So basically, when you see me next, my potatoes should be cooked and curry paste ready. All I'll do, I'll just mash it and we'll be ready. So this is where we are at, cooking fam. So you see those nice coconut thing there on the potatoes. They are not fully cooked. Let me show you. They are almost there, you know. So we want them a little softer. So what we're gonna do, I personally am gonna leave this nice coconut thing here. You're just gonna spin it around. You're gonna leave it right there in that hot liquid for maybe another 10 minutes. It will still be hot, and we are gonna leave it to absorb, just to absorb the niceness there. you know, because you know, so we have to have some, you know, we'll cover it in there. So these are not waterlogged, you know that? They are not waterlogged. So we are going to leave them in there until the steam now. We'll just cook it so the potatoes are clean and pretty. And that custard from the coconut milk, right. That's what we're going to do it. This is my curry paste. Let me tell you, you have to be very keen on making your curry paste. You don't want to get them curry as you start to cook them get black. So you got to be very selective on your curry after it's been burned. This is the cooked curry paste. So I'm going to leave it right there. And when we come, we'll add it according to, you will put it to your liking. How much you like it. If you like no flavor curry, you put it. Now, I have done this, but I actually don't think I am going to need extra. This is my scalded coconut milk, so I'll just cool it down and put it in my refrigerator. Okay, so this coconut milk is good to put in your tea and anything. It won't do your tummy anything. So that has gone through the process. You see the heat coming out of it. This is something that you got to know how to do. I had done this video on Patreon, full tutorial showing you how to do it. You've got to know how to do this, baby. So when you see me next, we are going to be mashing our potatoes with some butter, of course, putting our curry paste to how we like it, a little at a time, and to get the desired color, taste, everything. So I'll catch you in the next clip. This year, I'm just giving you some little extras as it comes nearer and nearer to Mother's Day. Next clip. So now, cooking fam, here we go. Somewhat cool down. You see that niceness from the coconut? We are going to mash. I hope my masher does me some good. This masher is going, fam. You see that? All the potatoes, they are not waterlogged. So I'm going to be mashing it into this. Look at me. With this niceness. I'm going to... You could use a... what's this thing? Handheld mixer. You could use that too. I'm going to mash it. So let's get some butter right in there. And we are going to be mashing. Wow. We're going to be mashing at this point. I think I don't need any more liquid, but you want to make sure you do it that you have extra coconut milk, you know. I think the coconut milk will do everything. Look at that. You see we are getting that nice mashed potato consistency. We're going to mash, mash, mash. You see that? Yeah. I'm going to continue mashing. And when I'm ready to fold in this curry paste, I will come back and show you how to do it next. So okay, now I am mashing, or I've mashed, and I think at this point we would need a little more liquid. So this is where this milk that I did ahead of time would come in. So I'm going to put about maybe this more in there. So this is good milk. You see this? This is like cow's milk with all that flavor. We're going to mash it in some more. And as you mash it, you see that fluffiness. Yeah. Okay, fam. So this is what I have. And it's not looking bad. I think it's looking pretty reasonably well. So this is the time now for me to add my curry paste. And you're going to add it to how you like it. I'm going to add this for now. And I'm going to use my spatula. And I'm going to start folding in my curry paste. And look at that. Look at that. That you dip on it? Yeah. If you're not dip on it, you lose that work, you know? Mm-hmm. Wow. Look at that, fam. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. So, fam, I'm trying to get my curry thoroughly mixed in. I think this is a pretty color. Look at that. I'm going to go now. Plate up just for you. There you have it, cooking fam. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It's coconut curry flavored mashed potatoes done just for you. This is a part of your Mother's Day meal, if you would like to. If you want to be treating mom in style, this could be a nice size for her. Remember to make sure you're liking the videos. Remember to make sure you are leaving me comments Make sure that you are subscribed most of all. Remember to watch the ads. You could twist this, you could turn this, you could make this your own. Make sure you have this pretty color leaf. You don't want to have too much of a darker color. You know, this is pretty enticing, pretty appealing. You could also use the curry and not mix it in thoroughly and have that marble look, like one brighter shade, the brighter shade of the curry and the lighter shade of the potato, like a marbling look. That would be fine. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, curry, coconut curry flavored mashed potato. Enjoy.